Apat. Go. Apat. 1, 2, drop. Boom. Gawa niya. Okay. Instrumental. Okay. The instrumental, ito muna tayo, di ba? Boom. 2. Parang sumusugod tayo. Ray, pati kayo sugod to, unison. Antayin ko yung instrumental. One, two, open. 1, 2, up. 1, 2, 3, 4, up. Down. Boom, boom, boom. Back. 1, 2. Go. Boys. Kanta. Yan na. Okay. Remember, sing and dance. So that means, boys, we are going to give you steps like this. And then you have to run to get the mic and sing. Okay ba breathing nyo?
Challenging.
See? It's getting difficult. Diba? That's the way it is. Your last 2 weeks is very difficult. So next week is your solo. After this Saturday, solo performance with a dance. Sing and dance. Ito, grupo pa nga, nakakapahinga pa kayo kasi ang babae na kumakanta. Tapos by the time kayo kumakanta, sila naman yung rest lang. But there's an instrumental portion na hindi naman pwedeng matapos na yung tugtog, pitik lang kayo ng pitik, di ba? Kasi kakanta ako susunod eh. Hindi pwede. So may instrumental, may steps kayo. By the time kayo na, you have to run. Cover your mouth when you're yawning. That's not good manners. So, when you run to get the mic, hingal na kayo. So, dapat alam niyo i-control ngayon. Paano niyo i-control? I'm warning you already now. Kasi you cannot blame the dance. Kasi it will really happen to you wherever, whatever show. You get it? So, that is your assignment for now. The CD's here. I don't know about the lyrics. Maybe they're gonna give it to you tonight or tomorrow for you to... You have it na? Oh, but may division na?
Wala po.
Ayan. Antayin nyo na yung division. The point is, kahit hindi mo part, alam mo kantahin.
So you
Kasi,
know what the timing is?
the timing, the choreography will depend on the lyrics. Kunyari, kinanta nito. You can't stop the beat. Dapat alam niyo yun. Kasi pagdating sa you can't stop the beat, pupunta pala kayo sa kanya nun.
You have to know everybody's part para not just
So,
your
you memorize it. And then, the steps we taught you now, we are going to put them. Hindi naman namin kayo pahirapan na yung pinag-aralan nyo ngayon, baliwala. We're gonna put them all in this, paano na kayo mahirapan. But the first rule is, get used to the melody, the lyrics,
the tempo,
the timing of everything, so that pag sinabi ko, oh, di ba sa part na to, this line, you walk, this line, you run, this line, you go. You know, hindi kayo mag-ano na, akala ko if you know the line, this is gonna be your line, Bugoy, this part. Pagkatapos, takbo ka dun. Kasi may sayaw kayo ni Chris. So, dapat memorize yung lahat ng linya ng iba. Hindi lang yung...
not just yours.
Kunyari, nakalagay doon, La Arnie Dead. Makal, sila Arnie lang kinanta ko. Pakialam ko sa kanta nyo, di ba? Hindi. You have to, lahat.
Yes.
Next time pinasolo sa inyo, di ba? Hindi kayo nakakaya, alam nyo lahat. Okay, so for now, the class is over. I'll see you again Thursday? Or when